If you're learning web development and everything feels messy, this video is for you. HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You see these words everywhere, but nobody tells you which one to learn first. Today, I'll show you the right order and why this order actually works. By the end of this video, web development will finally make sense. Most beginners do this. They watch an HTML video today, a JavaScript video tomorrow, then some random CSS tutorial, and nothing sticks. Not because you're bad at coding, but because you learn things out of order. Web development has layers. If you skip layers, everything feels confusing. Let's fix that. Here's the correct order. HTML first, CSS second, JavaScript last. Not because JavaScript is scary, but because it needs the other two. Think of it like a house. You don't decorate first. You don't install switches before the walls exist. Same idea here. HTML is the structure. It creates things like headings, text, buttons, forms. HTML answers one question: what exists on this page? If you don't understand HTML, JavaScript has nothing to control. That's why HTML always comes first. Next comes CSS. CSS controls how things look: spacing, colors, fonts, layout. Here's the mistake beginners make. They try to master CSS too early. You don't need perfect design. You need clean design. Readable, simple, clear. That's enough for now. Now JavaScript. JavaScript makes things happen. Button clicks, input changes, content updates. JavaScript answers one question: what should happen when the user does something? Without HTML, there's nothing to interact with. Without CSS, it's hard to see what's happening. That's why JavaScript comes last. Here's the mental model. HTML creates elements, CSS styles them, JavaScript controls them. That's it. Every framework works this way. React, Vue, Angular, same idea, different tools. If this clicks, everything else gets easier. So remember this: structure first, then style, then behavior. In the next video, we stop watching random tutorials and build a real web app together. If this helped you, like the video. Subscribe for beginner-friendly projects. See you in the next one.